good people, welcome back to the Liberty 100% channel. I hope you're doing great. I'm doing good too, and I'm back again with another video. And before I start this video, I would like to thank you for all the support that you've shown me. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for liking, thank you for giving the videos a thumbs up, and thank you for commenting. In case you're new to this channel, kindly take your time to like, comment, subscribe, and share the videos with your family and friends so that they may be able to join the Liberty family. Also, you can check out the videos that I have uploaded already. They are at least 28, so kindly take your time to watch and subscribe. In today's video, I would like us to know whether there are ways or products that we can use to make our locks grow longer quickly. Yes, how can we grow our locks longer quickly? Let's get started. Comment in the comment section below. What product have you used or you think one can use to make their locks grow longer first? As for me, I have seen a lot of people asking, what products can I use to make my locks grow faster or quickly? And I'm like, I've had locks for almost 5 years to be precise, and this is my second set actually. So I've never used any product other than those for my normal hair routine, like oiling, and washing. So I'm like, maybe I'm missing out on something. So if you know any product that I can use or that any of our viewers can use to make their dreadlocks grow longer, kindly comment in the comment section below. But as for me, yes, and I stand to be corrected. As for me, all I know is patience. Patience is what has brought me this far. Patience is my daily ingredient. Each time I think of my locks, I see where I started, the long way I have come, all the obstacles that I've faced, and I appreciate. Yes, patience is the only ingredient to make your hair or your dreadlocks grow quickly and longer. If you ask anybody who has long locks, yes, if you have them, kindly comment in the comment section below. Let's get to know what have you used. For me, the only thing I can say that has helped me come this far, it's patience. Yes. So I encourage everybody, just be patient. No matter what. Even if you started your lock journey with a friend or a sibling, or a parent, anybody, maybe their hair grows faster than yours, but that does not mean you should use, or you're lacking something, or you should use a product to make them grow quickly as the locks of the other party. No, just be patient. After all, the aesthetics of hair boils down to genetics. Besides the products and maintenance that we do, it goes down to genetics. What do you think? Comment in the comment section below. So as for me, from today, I can tell you, kindly be patient. Don't compare your lock journey with the lock journeys of other people. Yeah, it's good to appreciate if the locks of the other party are growing well, It's okay to appreciate, but it's not okay to compare. Yeah, don't compare. Just embrace your journey with all that it comes with. No lock journey will be the same. Yeah, your lock journey will never be the same to another person. So just learn to embrace whatever comes along with your lock journey. Adapt a lock routine that will help you boost the growth and the health of your locks. Yeah, the oils that you use, all the products that you use, that will ensure your hair is healthy and it's just okay. Thirdly, this one you should never miss it. Be patient. Yeah, be patient. That's all I can say. For the years that I've had dreadlocks, patience is one of those ingredients that I carry with me every day and everywhere I go. Thank you, and let me know your point of view in the comment section below. Yeah, so if you've been struggling on knowing the ingredients you can use, I guess today you've known one. And for the rest, check in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video, and see you in the next video. I love you. Thank you for all the support, and see you then.